Okay.
Anyways, Ishal. So, Ishal, welcome to English Talkie. My name is Mayank Sharma, and I'll be
Okay.
your tutor for today's class. All right? Don't
Okay.
worry, you'll get your full 15 minutes. In fact, you'll get more than 15 minutes. Don't worry.
Okay. It's okay.
All right. So, my name is Mayank. And so, Ishal, this is your demo class, right? So,
Yeah,
in this
it's
demo
madam.
class, I will be asking you some questions. I want you to answer them. And we can also have a general conversation with each other regarding your interest or anything. All right?
Okay.
So, Ishal, what I want you to do is introduce yourself to me first. Come on.
Okay. Actually, my name is Ishal. I belong to
Hmm.
Kerala. I have been
Hmm.
working at a pharmacy store,
Hmm. All
and
right.
it has been for a while. I have been thinking to take some days off out of my work.
Hmm.
So told to my boss this December I will never come to my work. I need some days off. So I'm taking off
So,
throughout December.
all right. So, you've taken a month off.
Yeah, I have been
Yes.
taking.
All right. All right. So, you're working on a pharmacy store, right?
I have been working over there.
For how much long? How much time?
I have been working over there ongoing 7 months.
7 months. That's great. So,
Yeah,
you have learned a lot about that, right?
yeah, I have been learning. It is a new pharmacy since the
Okay.
inauguration. Working over there.
All right. All right, Ishal. That's really great. That's really great. So, if I want to ask you, do you want to open a store of your own any someday?
No, I don't have even. I don't even any. I don't even any plan to open my own
Okay.
pharmacy.
Okay. Okay.
I. It is not my field. I completed my graduation in diploma in petrochemical engineering.
Okay.
It's very different from my field,
Okay.
but I really would like to switch my career into English field.
English field. So, you want to become a teacher or something?
Yeah, I would like to be a tutor.
That's really great. That's really great. All right.
Yeah,
So, you won't be following your mainstream career, like petrochemical engineering.
yeah. That's why still nowadays I have been pursuing you know degree from Open University. Degree.
Okay.
My stream is BA in English.
BA English. That's great.
Yeah. So I want to get any qualification related English if I want to get any job related to this field.
Oh,
The
yes.
interviewer might ask me any qualification related to this field.
Obviously. Obviously. That's good. That's good, Ishal. So you're from Kerala, Ishal, right?
Yeah, I'm from Kerala.
Which district in Kerala?
I'm from Malappuram. Do you know?
Sorry, again?
I'm from Malappuram.
Malapuram.
Malap. Yeah.
Malapuram. No,
So
I
I
haven't
think
heard of it. And
yeah, I
sorry,
think you
yes,
must
please.
have. I think you must hear Calicut or Koikot.
Obviously. Both of them, yes,
Yeah.
I've heard them.
Yeah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
next to Cal.
All right, all right. So is it on the shore? On the mainland?
Yeah, it is a coastal area.
It's a coastal area?
Yeah.
Right. That's great. That's great. Ishal, you are the third person this week from South India that I'm talking to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you
In
ever
fact,
be to talk with
sorry.
Kerala on this application? Are you ever
Sorry.
been talk with Are you ever been talking with Kerala people on this application?
No, in my college there was one person who was from Kerala. He wasn't actually my friend. We just used to have wave at each other, just casual conversation sometimes. But face to face like this, you are the first person from Kerala that I'm talking to,
Okay. So
and
I'm
it,
so
and
glad to
yeah,
be
and it
your.
feels really great. And it feels great to talk to people from different cultures, right? I'm from Delhi.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you. Sorry, I'm from Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah, you're from
So what do you
Kerala.
do apart? Yeah.
Sorry,
What do you do apart? What do you do apart from
what do I
teaching?
do apart from them? Actually, I'm a law student. I'm pursuing
Okay.
LLB from Delhi University.
Okay.
Hmm. That's what I do. And besides that, I work as a spoken English trainer on English Talkie.
Okay. So I think it is a new platform.
Sorry.
Is it? I think it is a new platform. Is it?
Actually, I joined around 2 months back, so I am also not aware of the fact that is it new or it's old. But I think it's new. I think it's new.
Yeah. Because I had to come across like about this application. So I searched something on Google. So I could see only few tutors, like
Mm-hmm.
more around 10 tutors available on English Talkie.
This is, but on English Talk, it's really good. You have a 15-minute conversation with the other person. It's really great.
Yeah, it's really great. Yeah.
Yeah. how do you think you learn English by learning subject or something? Here I'm having a casual conversation with you, right? I'm
Yeah,
getting to know about you. You're getting to know about me from the place you are, from the place I am, and we're getting to know each other. So it's a really great thing to
yeah.
learn English. Anyways, Ishal. So obviously we'll be talking. So Ishal, why don't you tell me something about your hobbies and interests?
Actually, I don't have that kind of much hobby. Even though
Hmm. Sorry, even though
I play soccer most of
you
days.
play soccer, so you're a footballer. So who's your favorite footballer?
I really like Neymar. Not only
Neymar.
Neymar.
Or
Yeah,
okay,
I like Ronaldo. Everyone who can play well.
okay. So which team does Ronaldo play for?
Yeah, actually, I'm kind of, I play like I don't have any specific place.
Hmm.
Yeah, I
So
you
you
can
so
say.
you don't know his team. You don't know his team.
What did you say?
I'm asking which team does Ronaldo play for?
Okay, so I am that much aware about that because I
That's your brother.
I often watching football on TV.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Was that your brother?
this my niece.
As I see your
They
niece.
gave me practice.
As they want to see what's happening there in the phone.
Yeah, they also want
All
to
right.
distract me.
All right. No worries. No worries. All right. So you do like to play football. So do you play football currently?
Yeah, I play football most of days in the morning.
So you're a regular player, right?
Yeah,
You have
the
seen
thing
these
is,
people from. Please, yeah.
yeah, the thing is, I can get lesser time only in the morning.
Okay. I've noticed
Yeah,
that people from South India play football a lot.
yeah. Actually, if we according to the people who belongs to besides of South India, they would like to play cricket a lot.
Hmm.
But according to South India, especially Kerala people, they really like to play football
All
rather
right.
than.
That's great. That's great. All right. All right, Ishal. So Ishal, we'll now be moving on to some of the questions. All right.
Okay.
So Ishal, why do you want to learn English? Exactly. You told me you are a college student. You want to pursue a career in English, but is that the reason that you're trying to learn English?
That is the only reason why I'm here.
All right.
I want to get English if I
Okay.
wanna. Yeah.
So,
So
is there
if it,
anything, if in future, particularly anything that you want to do after learning English? You want to open an institute of yours, or you want to work as a professor, lecturer, or something?
I think I don't think I am able to teach anyone.
Hmm?
But if you ask me if I can open or my own coaching center, I think it's supposed to happen. I'm not sure about that, but once I got good fluency in English, I will try to do anything.
You'll try to do anything. And I
Yeah,
must really appreciate your effort. You're trying to learn English. You've started this. You've taken the first step, and I appreciate that.
yeah. Thank you for that.
All right.